So basically this is a custom color in Grisello. You saw we matched it a couple of times to get the proper color my client wanted. He's very picky, so I had to get exactly the right color. Nice and tight, circular motions. Then you come back with your burnishing trowel to burnish. You always clean back and put everything right back in the container. Always. Come back with my burnishing trowel, very important. You want to burnish in every direction, but you don't want to flip the board because you cannot flip walls, remember. So you want to be authentic with all the stuff you do, always. So if you look at it, this is how you know it's good quality plaster. You know, if you notice it doesn't peel, it doesn't do nothing. I did it right away. And with real line plasters, you see the depth on it, or the movement of the Venetian plaster. That's it. When this dries completely, I'll wax it. Remember, we wax this to seal the product because it's a stone product, so that's why we seal it. Finito. The whole process. This is all I need, and there'll be left over. You have to learn how to control the product. You learn how to control the product, you can do wonders with it. Put it in the back. So I already waxed it, now I'm gonna place it. Finito. My exotic. You'll see this color in the next wall. Future wall I'll be doing.